Colton, and this is my sister Addison, but she doesn't want to show herself.
Hello, I'm the camera girl. We are go in front of me. We're at the waterfalls.
I hope you guys some rocking sticks. Look at that beautiful waterfall, guys.
Come on, let's go.
Okay, let's go.
There's Romo. There's Rocky.
And we got train tracks.
Romo. Rocky. There's Romo.
Let's go down to the water parks.
Let's just hope they don't fall off this cliff.
Oh, yeah, that would be bad. And the train track. Oh my gosh.
That's kind of bad.
And the train track. Yeah.
Mommy, get in front of me. Make sure they stay on that side. So beautiful. Slay.
Look
hi, guys.
lake. I'm gonna see.
Colton, can you see me? Yes, kind of. Yeah, but then you're gonna film me. Okay. Wait.
Who is that? It's gotta be.
Insala. Ding 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 ding. 360.
Oh, there's swing here?
360.
Okay.
We're gonna go to a swing.
Hi. Okay, let's film and go to the swings.
Well, there should be a swing.
There's a playground up there. Can you zoom in?
We are going to go there.
And we're gonna see.
Mama, Rocky.
There's a superheroes.
Mommy, I don't want this. It's hurting my head.
Let's go down to the waterfall.
Hold in here.
I got a hat. Isn't my dad's hat? Wait,
No, it's Mommy's head. Does your boot stop working? Hold on, get in front of me. Wait, I'm gonna show them your new hat. P.S. Our mom's hat / that was mine.
W.W. Ryan.
Go in front of me. Butter. Puppy. Cotton. Butter. Listen, sister.
Is there a
Yeah.
Down to the
Whoa.
waterfalls.
Wait, I'm going right here.
Let's show them. Show them. What a beautiful tree.
Wait.
Whoa.
I want to walk down and then on those rocks.
We gotta go across this way. Let's go across the bridge.
Let's go.
Go in front.
Wait.
Whoa! Look! It says in the 1850s this stone was used in the grist mill operations at Valley Falls. This thing. Colton, the rocks are slippery.
Let's show them the waterfall. What? Count how many they are, Addison.
We'll look. Hold on.
Oh yeah.
There's a lot.
Like that. My dad said
This is way.
Yeah, cool. Look at the one over there.
so beautiful.
Look at the one there. There's a waterfall over there.
Hey, you can
I'm going down here
Waterfall over
first.
there.
Let's go this way first. Yeah, there's railroads down there.
Is that a train coming?
Whoa! They're in that train.
Wait, is it gonna go right there?
Well, there's not a railroad there.
Yeah, it's right there.
Train.
Oh.
That's definitely a train.
There it is.
Why is everybody running? Everybody's running right there. That guy was running. That guy's running. That person's running. Why are they all running? How cool that is.
Why are people so close to it?
too. The other people wanted to go over the bridge so the plane will go underneath them. Is that a house? That's a beautiful house. Mommy, the rocks are slippery. This reminds me of Cooper's Rock. Colton!
Let's get down here.
Colton, get in front of it. I'm gonna take a.
Are you gonna do a thumbnail?
Yeah. Okay. There's the train. Look at all these rocks. So
You see this
beautiful.
waterfall out there? You see this waterfall?
Whoa. Woohoo.
How cool that waterfall is.
Look.
God!
They're not going anywhere.
Colton, Colton, ready? Get right there.
Thumbnail?
No, not further back.
Wait for me.
I want to get that.
I know, right? Probably a ton of money.
Recording still.
Yeah. We're also recording when we go to the playground.
I'm going.
What?
Look at this place.
I want to go on that rock.
Are you going to go over there? Don't.
Colton, come on.
Madison, pay attention to where your step is.
Let's go. Let's go. Let's go to the next waterfall. Let's go. And there's waterfall. We're going to the next waterfall. All these rocks. Big woods. Rocks. Rocks. 360. It's gonna rain. A place where I wanna go.
Madison, you can't go that way.
Oh my god! Can we go to the playground?
No, there's more waterfalls down there.
No. Plus, I'm going to the playground after the waterfall.
Okay. Let's go to the next waterfall. Yeah, here's. What are those benches, Acid? Yeah.
I need 360.
That playground is heavenly.
Over there. Next level. Come on. Follow that next trail.
Where?
This trail and then to the left.
Oh. Get in front of me. You get in front of me. Is that the West Virginia flag? Go run. Run. Run, Clinton, run. Daddy,
What?
remember how those people were sprinting up that hill?
Yeah.
That's so they can get on that bridge and the train will go underneath them.
Oh,
Left, Colton, left. Left on that trail. Oh, he's really far ahead. Yeah, I don't want to. Graffiti. No, on the announcements, Molly, when I was doing Lost and Found on the announcements, there was this like all black sweatshirt and it was like very like emo. And so Miss Spearneck, had me say it was a graffiti sweatshirt. Like everyone knows what that means.
pause.
Ow! It's my feet.
Look at that waterfall.
not very steady. What? Where? Daddy, there's park rangers. Daddy, there's park rangers following us. The rock?
No, don't go there. Get off.
The rock one was the last one into the... This way. I don't think the puppies are allowed to be here. You sure? People are following us. Dude, look at the playground.
Look at the white water down the river here.
Wait, you can white water
So-
raft in that thing?
So this river, I'm trying to think if this river comes out from our lake or dumps into our lake.
Rocky!
Because the way we came,
Colton, watch this.
this river dumps.
I had my tippy toes off the front. Oh, wait, look. Look at this. Someone died right here.
No, someone died here.
Yeah.
Who's it? No, there's a cross.
Yeah.
Cross.
It says Robert R.C.
And who? Who made this place?
R.I.P.
This is going.
Rip Robert R.C.
Here.
Oh my gosh. Should I pause it? Should I pause
Now
it?
we're at the playground. You always wanted to see this playground, right? That's what we're filming. Who's here? There's snakes.
There is?
Yes, Colton.
Snakes everywhere.
Am I going to fall off this bench?
Maybe. Let's play the playground lesson. That's it. Is there another microphone for this big thing? Can you go on here? What are you doing? How are we supposed to get up here? Up this. Oh, there's a different way to do it. Oh, yes, there is. I'm Colton. What is this? What? That's a walk. Walk. Look at yes. This one. Oh, the weight is always the best. They're different. 3, 2, 1. Hey, let's go this thing. Who knows what this is? Oh, it doesn't spin. I need some waterfall. Dang it. Oh, I still got the phone acid. Oh, give me it. Yeah. Drop it. Oh my gosh, don't drop it, don't drop it. Hey, y'all. Give me back the phone.
No, I'm gonna go down.
No, give me back the phone. Actually, give me back the phone. And it will be way more safer if I had the phone. Okay, we're back. Let's go swing. Let's go swing for them. Well,
I just
we'll each take turns. Colton, get in this baby swing.
Why?
Get in it.
Why?
And then
Oh, it looks so fun.
I'll film you. I'll film pushing you.
No. You
Look at this baby swing.
Get in here. Let me hold it for you.
Dumb
Get in.
people. Oh, wow.
Don't.
You film me.
There you go.
Look, my hat.
Oh yeah.
The hat.
Put it on. And now hold this. I need to buckle you in here.
Look at it buckled. I'm in a baby seat right now. Do you see? I'm in a baby seat. I know. You can't. Oh, there you go. Got it.
Okay, ready?
Daddy! Whoa. Whoa. What even is that? Oh my god! Are you okay? Oh my god! Can you see yourself?
No.
Oh. Ow! What am I supposed to do? Oh! My back! Ow! Ow! back.
Soccer player, buddy. Get used to it.
Actual phone. Oh my gosh, I'm playing soccer too.
Oh, the baby would be going. You would be going way higher right now if you were a baby.
Ah! Ah! Ah!
My turn.
Okay.
Wait.
Stop it.
I want to do underdog, but I
Actually,
can't.
you know you can do this.
No.
Like, stand it.
Oh wait, it came off.
Ah!
Go. No. Wait, hold this for me. Don't let go. Don't stop it.
Let me lock it in place. Let me lock it in place.
No, you don't know how to. It's hard. Wait, hold on. Let me.
Lock it in place. You know what?
Give me.
I'm gonna kick you to death.
No, I'm scared.
Oh God. Oh.
Oh my God. Was that your foot?
Oh.
Ow, you hit me in the head. Show them myself. Hi.
My
foot.
Now I'm gonna do my foot already.
You want me to do underdog?
Good luck. You're gonna get hurt.
What was that? I fell. This is not safe.
Harder! Yeah! Oh!
Okay, let's take that. I'm tired.
Okay. Wait, I want Daddy to push me. Go get Daddy.
Daddy.
Please! Come push me! Push me! Please! For a little bit. A couple times, please. Ah! No! Wait, let's go in the real swings. What are you doing?
I'm trying to slow down. Give me the phone.
Okay. Let me just unlock it. Let me just unlock it. Let's go on the big swing.
Ow.
Hi, I'm Colton.
I want to get in the baby phone.
And this is my sister, Allison.
Really?
Look at that.
Do that. It's stuck. You're gonna trip getting out of there. How'd you get in there?
I stepped up.
Can't wait to see you try to get out of there without tipping and falling on your face.
I've done that before.
Yeah? That's what she's gonna
What?
do.
Oh,
Come on.
Colton.
Come on, look.
Well, I did it!
you did it? Okay.
Daddy?
What?
I did it!
You're lucky it went.
Hey, wrong swing, buddy. Get to the shorter one.
Okay, fine.
Get to the shorter one.
I said, how about we switch the phone?
Yeah.
Hey, I'm on my dad's phone, so.
Wait, let's see who can swing the highest. Sure, I'll start with the phone so you have an advantage.
Okay. Hey, how about we stop right now? Ready?
3, 2, 1, go.
Uh,
No, we started.
Okay.
We didn't go at the same time.
3,
No, wait, ready?
3, 2, 1. You're allowed to use the ground. Oh my God, I'm gonna fall off.
What's your phone?
I'm not right now. You're beating me, man.
Get off there, let's
Here, Colton. Here, Colton.
go. You guys still recording?
Yep. Oh my gosh.
Are you still recording?
No.
No, we're switching cameras.
Switch.
Oh gosh. How are we gonna do that?
guess I remember to puke in the car.
Yeah.
So good.
And Joel. No, Joel.
Well, he drooled a little bit.
Yeah, I'm
Puppies! Puppy! Puppy! Hi!
definitely.
You guys are so cute. Yeah, you're definitely. Switch.
Oh my god!
Oh, no.
I can't see. The phone! Let me get it. Is it still recording?
The phone. Here. Ready?
Switch.
Well, stuck man, right?
You're staying with it.
Come on, let's go.
Ready? 3,
I'm gonna jump.
1.
Wait, hold it, give me it. I wanna jump there.
You're gonna fall.
Ready?
Ready? I gotta get. Wait, push me.
Still filming?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
Wait, push me. Wait, Mom, ready? Oh! When you make this one. Ah, no, no. Ready? No, don't push me. Don't push me. Don't push me. Ready?
Oh, it's fun.
Ready?
Bye guys, see you.